Okay, now let's add a link to the title. So we could break this up and do it the same way, but let's try this one a different way. We're going to create a variable called, let's call it permalink. And instead of the permalink, I'm going to use a different template tag, get permalink. Only difference between these two, well, there's a few other differences, but the main difference between these two is that this template tag puts it into a variable, or delivers a variable rather than printing it. So then I can take this and just insert it in here, and then I can use the same template tag. So that's kind of nice. Let's see if that worked. Okay, yay. Now let's add the date. So let's use a time. Let's use a time tag. Okay, now we see the time printed. And another tag we might want to add is the category. Let's put that at the bottom. Okay, and now this is listing the categories that each blog post belongs to. We're going to work on this template afterwards, after we do this one. Okay, and now we'll also want to add we're going to want to add the feature image. So I'm going to use add theme support. Let's sit down here actually. Here it is, add theme support, post thumbnails. You can specify in add theme support which post types you want to add thumbnails to. For example, you could specify it's only on post. You could say it's on, you could say it's only on pages. You could, this is an example of a custom post type where there's a custom movie post type. Let's just use the default here. Put this in your functions file. Okay, this will enable the use of post thumbnails. And now to print the post thumbnail, it's really quite easy. We're using the post thumbnail. And by default, WordPress has a few sizes, this thumbnail, medium, large, and a few others as well. And anytime you upload an image to WordPress, it'll automatically resize them into these different formats. So it's always going to be here. And you can make your own image sizes as well, which we're going to do in an upcoming week. Okay, now we have the content. In the next video, let's beautify this a bit more.